Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings error. So let's get started. So if you are facing this error in your Roblox account where it says this experience is available due to your account settings, so to fix this problem what you have to do is change your settings. So to change your settings, first of all you have to open up your Roblox application. So if you have downloaded Roblox in your device, then what you can do is just simply open up your Roblox from there, or if you haven't downloaded Roblox in your device, then what you can do is just open up your browser and then search for roblox.com. After searching for roblox.com, now what you can do is just tap on the gear icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on the gear icon, just tap on this first option which is settings, and after tapping on settings, in the left side of your screen you can find this box, and inside it you will find this option which is privacy. Just tap on it, and after tapping on privacy, here you can find this first option which is account restrictions. So if your account restrictions are turned on, what you can do is just simply turn that option off. And after turning that option off, now what you have to do is just enter your account PIN. So you have an account PIN, right? If you have set an account PIN, what you can do is just simply enter that and then tap on unlock. And after tapping on unlock here, you can see guys, you have successfully turned off your account restrictions. So after turning off your account restrictions, now you have to check if you can play a game and you are not facing that error. But if you are still facing that error, what you can do is just head over to your parental control. And after coming up to your parental control, what you have to do is, if this option is set on all ages, what you can do is just tap on 13 plus, or you can also change it to 70 plus, or you can also change it to 17 plus if you can. So just change it to 17 plus, or you can just keep it in 13 plus. And after doing that, now you can check if you can play the game that you want. So if you are still facing that error, then what I'll recommend you to do is just tap on the gear icon which is on the top right and then log out. And after logging out from your account, what you can do is just simply restart your computer. So you can restart your Windows PC or your laptop or any device that you are in. And after restarting your laptop, what you can do is just again come back to this page and then log into your account. And after logging into your account, you just have to check if you can play that game. And then following all these steps and doing all this process, you will probably be able to play the game that you want in Roblox. So that's it guys, this is how to fix error Roblox. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings error. So that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.